In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro, whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. So let's dive right in. Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the most powerful video editing tools out there, and I'll walk through everything you need to get it up and running on your computer. First, open your preferred website and go to Adobe's official website. Once you're on the home page, simply tap on free trial. Here you can choose your plans and alls, and after that you can simply create or sign in and choose a subscription plan. Adobe Premiere Pro is part of the Creative Cloud site, which means you will need to select a plan that includes Premiere Pro. You can choose from the Premiere Pro single app, which gives just Premiere Pro, or the Creative Cloud all apps plan. Once you've selected your plan, click on next and enter your email. After that, click on next and add your simply payment details all, and after that simply download it. And once the download is complete, the install button will appear. Just click install next to Adobe Premiere Pro and the app will start installing on your computer. And that's it. That is how you simply download Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.